Hello everyone, this is Ravikant Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel Ravi Science Spoken English. In this video, I am going to talk about one of the biggest problems of every English learner. You know, actually that problem is you can understand English very well, but you are not able to speak English. Why? Friends, I had also dealt with the same problem. I was unable to speak English in the beginning, because there are students they are not able to speak English in the beginning, and I was able to understand English each and every sentence. When someone had conversation to them, and when someone asked a question in English, I was able to understand and I know the answer that particular statement. But I am not able to give them answer back. That time, I think which tense I should use. How can make sentences? You know, I started thinking those steps in our mind, and I got nervous. You know, my leg was started shaking, and my heartbeat is increasing a lot, and that was the whole situation for me. But I overcome that particular situation. And I know that you might have also facing the same problem. And I will tell you about the solution. How can you tackle with that problem? So don't worry. Actually, friends, when we are in a school, our school teacher teaches English like a subject. They are not teaching teachers like language. They teach us a lot of grammar rules like tense, modal, subject, object, verb of form, you know. But they didn't teach us like language. They only teach us the grammar rule. But we want to speak English. There is no only need to grammar rules. There is need a proper kind of environment also. And when we hear that someone is speaking like someone is speaking in English, we got attracted to them easily and we started thinking, wow, she is speaking English very well. Could I speak English? There is a big question. You know, this is the big question. Could I speak? So I will tell you, you can speak. You know, most of the people fail not because lack of ability, lack of intelligence. They fail because lack of desire. Lack of desire, lack of dedication, lack of direction, and lack of discipline. If you are able to understand and write English language, then it means you know the language, you know the grammar rules, you know the vocabs, you know the whatever it is, you know, and which things are necessary to speak English, but not only things is you need to practice, okay? You need to practice and you need to courage to speak English, right? But right now, only this thing is you need to do practice and you need to push yourself to speak English. You need to courage to speak because you need a courage to speak because without this, I don't think you can speak because if you have fear to speak English, you have fear to face the people. Like, you think like people are laughing at you. To overcome the fear, I don't think about people. You are the person who wants to learn English. Not other, right? So you would have to go out from your comfort zone and start speaking English. This is about the solution. Friends, if you are able to understand but you are unable to speak, so there is a solution. I start speaking as soon as possible. Friends, my main motto is make you understand English and motivate you, motivate to speak English. Friends, I don't get fear, I don't get tired because that will make mistake. Mistake, you have freedom, you can make mistake, but start speaking is very necessary. Friends, thanks for watching my videos because